Hello, second graders of America. This is Mrs. Carroll, and today we're going to talk about adding mixed coins. So first, we're going to start out with what does this coin count by? You're right, it's a penny, so it counts by ones. How much money is this? We can count by ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. You could write 11 cents like this, or you can write 11 cents like $0.11. How many dimes would you need to make 90 cents? You're right, you would need 9 dimes, 9 tens to make 90. So how you would count that is by tens, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And that makes 9 dimes. 5 dimes, 6, 7, 8, 9 dimes. What is the total value of these coins? How did you solve it? Pause your video and solve it on paper now. Next, one strategy you could use is skip counting. You could start your quarter at 25 cents, skip up a 10 to get 35, and up another 10 to get 45. You jump tens because dimes are worth 10. Another strategy you could use is number bonds. You could split your quarter, 25, into 20 and 5. And your dimes, you could add together 10 and 10 to make 20. Then you could put your 20s together. If I know 2 and 2 is 4, then I know 20 and 20 is 40. And I can't forget the 5, so 40 and 5 makes 45. Oh, you can't see it at the bottom. What is the total value of these coins? How did you solve it? Pause your video now and solve it on paper. One strategy you could use is order coins and skip count. You could put the coins in order from the one that's worth the most to the one that's worth the least, starting with the dime, which was worth 10, and jump a 5, because a nickel's worth 5, to get to 15, and then jump by ones because pennies are worth ones. So 15 to 16, 17, and 18. Another strategy you could use is number bonds. You could put 10 and 5 together to get 15, because your dime is worth 10 and your nickel is worth 5. You could put your 3 ones together to get 3, and then add 15 and 3. My 5 and 3 gets 8, and that gives me a teen, so 18. 15 and 3 is 18 cents. What is the total value of these coins, and how did you solve it? Pause your video now and solve it on paper. Strategy: order and skip count. You could put your coins in order from the one worth the most to the one worth the least, and then count by their value. So a dime is worth 10, and jump by 5 to get to 15, by 5 to get to 20, by 5 to get to 25, by 5 to get to 30, and then jump only by 1 because a penny is worth 1 to get to 31. Another strategy is number bonds. So I would take my dime and my nickel, they're worth 10 and 5. Or actually, that might not be the first one. My 5 and 5 to get to 10. Another 5 and 5 to get to 10. Put my tens together to get to 10, 20, and 30. And don't forget the 5. So 30 and 5 is 35. Next, you can do these activities. They're linked in the same place you found this video, a counting money activity and a do you have enough activity to practice on your own.